Buongiorno, hello everyone, and welcome back to Residenza Toscana. I'm Marisa Barilaro Sherrington, and today I'm going to share a very special home with you here in my hometown of Chianni in Provincia di Pisa in western Tuscany. So let's go on a journey together. So today's home is very different to all the other homes I've presented to you so far, in the fact that it's probably the smallest home I've presented to you, but that's its beauty. It's a stunning 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom home here in Chianni in a 17th century property that has been totally restored and renovated by an amazing artisanal builder. The gentleman has put so much love and passion and finer details into the structuring of this building, right down to waxing tiles with beeswax and some really specific things that you won't actually understand just by looking at my film. But I can tell you the details in mine are incredible. Now, this home is particularly comfortable, whether it would be for permanent residency, as it's being used for at the moment, or as a holiday home, because it's got the lot. It has use of a very beautiful brand new constructed swimming pool directly in front of the home, and a car park. Now, there is a condominial fee for that, and I will mention that throughout the filming. The cost, by the way, of the building, a lot of people ask me, where do you put the cost? They are always right at the end of the video with all the descriptions. So if you want to rush forward and have a look, you're welcome to do that. Otherwise, please watch right through. Then this house has beautiful finishes inside. You have 2 lovely sized bedrooms, as well as a study that could be converted into an extra space for sleeping. You have a beautiful kitchen that has so many details in it, you're going to love it. You have an incredible back garden area going into a lovely hillside vista with a very large covered loggia area, which you'll see the table that they have there at the moment could seat 20 people easily. So you've got your own private area at the back of the home with your own lovely pool, terrace, sunbaking area and carport in front of the home. And then inside you'll see this pièce de résistance of the master is a 4-seater hot tub or jacuzzi, or whatever you want to call it, with a massive TV on the wall. Perfect place for sitting, lazing, watching a film, watching a match, whatever you love to do in the privacy of your own home, but with lovely vistas behind it. And gosh, it's just so relaxing, this house. It has a beautiful feel to it. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Come along for the journey with me. And don't forget, if you want to know more about Chianni, I've put a couple of little bits and pieces at the beginning and the end of this video, but there are masses of videos on Tales from Tuscany in my other playlists, which you can watch and see so much about Chianni and the surrounding areas. So let's go on this lovely home tour together. And don't forget, leave your comments, leave a thumbs up if you're enjoying it, please. And please don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying my content, because it would really help me to continue my channel to grow and be able to do more and more and share more with you. So let's go and look at this gorgeous house now. I am outside the beautiful home here in Via dei Monti, Chianni, which I'm going to go in and visit. Hello, you can see me in the window. So let's go through these lovely front doors. It's actually a really lovely steel, forged steel front door, which is going to take us straight in to a little, what would you call this? A little ante-room. It's really sweet. So it's got a proper formal entry. Let me just close that door behind me. There we go. So for the winter weather, we have these extra doors with internal shutters, very high quality, and beautiful mosaic terracotta floor tiles. And this is an entry hall with Tuscan ceilings, beautiful trave, all the Tuscan beams. And as you can see, going through to the lovely living areas, we have wonderful brick arches and the continuation of the lovely Tuscan tiles throughout. There's central heating throughout, as you can see. Off the front hall, straight away, we have a little mini, what they call ripostiglio, which is an understair storage, which always comes in handy to put different things in. We're just going to come down through these lovely archways, and we come into this first area. There are just two lovely wide stairs there to go down, and you have that lovely walkway through to your study on the right, which I will take you to, the archways through to living, dining, and out to the terrace and the garden, and on the left a very, very large pantry or ripostiglio. So this is just off the entry area. We have an incredible cellar and ripostiglio, loads of ceiling to floor space. And then we come back into this lovely sort of anti-dining room, the room beforehand, which is lovely. And then just into this absolutely stunningly vaulted, look at the quality of those ceilings, beautiful room with the most incredible features of solid stone. Look at the stone in that corner. That is incredible. So you're sitting on solid rock here, that's for certain. But the architectural features in here are really beautiful. Look at this lovely, lovely arch with the feature of the great big piece of stone going across there. And then we come into the way outside, but I'll show you the kitchen first. One little thing I thought I would add was the age, because we're looking at these wonderful architectural styles of this beautiful domed roof here, and the owner has let me know that this building is from the 1700s and then was completed in the 1800s. Of course, everything you see has been restructured, but it is a very, very ancient building, still in the heart of the ancient borgo, as they call it, of Chianni, the centro storico. So really wonderful to be in something that is so historical, but so beautifully maintained and restructured. So around to our left, here we go through another beautiful arch, and we go into a large size kitchen with lovely arched windows. All the windows, of course, are of very high quality with metal, the beautiful forged iron bars. Now, this kitchen has some wonderful features. It has a full wood burning oven to make pizza. It has a full proper open chimney where they do Tuscan style barbecue, so your grills. You have a 5-burner gas cooktop and a beautiful enamel oven underneath. All of the backsplash is done in beautiful solid marble, stone. All the worktops, as you can see, are beautiful masonry and stone tops. Gorgeous features, lovely shelving, solid timber shelving, beautiful, beautiful ceilings and light fixtures, and Tuscan paint effects. Dishwasher, Miele, very good quality appliances, lovely large double width sink fantastic. And then let's pop over here. And before I take you outside, yes, I'll show you this one smaller bathroom here off the kitchen, so that it has toilet, vanity and storage there. And then let's go outside. This house has a magnificent covered terrace. I'll walk up this end first. Along the back of the house you have a wood store with a little shed there. There is some land at the back here, and it does go down beyond a walkway down towards a little tiny stream. You have beautiful terraced bushlands behind, lovely vistas down into the hills. Another little terrace area here, and then we come back around. Look at the length of this table. What a wonderful, wonderful table. Gorgeous little seating area here. Again, beautiful views down into the valley. And this is a wonderful room that I'm going to show you from inside, but as you can see, it has totally push back doors, and you'll understand why when I take you back inside. Out here you can see all the lovely stonework on the house and the wonderful forged iron gates that have been put on all the doors and windows. This is mosquito or fly sliding door, which I just love. I need to get one of those for my house. And let's pop back inside. So I've just come back through the dining room, and I'm now taking you back out towards the front door, and then back here down we've got 2 very large stone steps to go down, and we come into this lovely smaller room, but still rather lovely. Love the lighting in these rooms, that strip lighting, which the gentleman does use, as you can see, as his office. But this has a sofa bed, and it could be used for whatever you want. We're going to turn off to our right now and go into one of the bedrooms. This room has lovely block out blinds. I'll just come over here, central heating, air conditioning, lovely strip lighting, beautiful beams. You can see it's all been done into a very high quality. And there's just the door to be fixed on this doorway. He was just saying that was the one thing that hadn't been finished off. And then we come back again through this lovely studio area here, or study area. Again, lovely doorways, and into the master, which is a really significant sized room. Again, beautiful high ceilings back in here, lovely Tuscan ceilings, tons of space, the most beautiful walk-in wardrobe with 2 doors. I don't think I've seen one quite this big in Chianni anywhere, or any houses I've been into so far. I've never seen quite so much storage. It's beautifully outfitted, really high spec, this house. Wonderful, wonderful. Sorry to be showing off everybody's personal things, but I needed to show you the size of that room. It really is so spectacular. So again, the other door to it. And here is the pièce de résistance off your bedroom, looking back outside. As I said, with those beautiful pushback doors, you have this wonderful 4-seater jacuzzi. So it's like being indoors, outdoors, but you do have blinds there for privacy if you wish. Gorgeous ceilings. Now those timber ceilings have a V-looks, as they call them, from France, which is an automated one with an automatic blind that goes up and down, which is perfect. So you can sit there at night and have that open and look at the stars. Heated towel rail and a large TV set on the wall, so you can sit in your jacuzzi and watch a great film, a football match, whatever you're into. Beautiful jacuzzi, and we're looking back out onto that wonderful terrace area again. Back into our large master bedroom, and I'll just take you around the corner here and into the ensuite bathroom. Let me see if I can turn a light on here. There we go. Oh, there's a couple of different light switches. There we are. Beautiful lit up shower, isn't it? Wonderful. So that is a massive, you could shower 6 people in there, but lovely double-sized rain shower there. Really gorgeous with a window outside. Lovely tile work there. Just come around. Very, very lovely, large, double width sink. Beautiful tiles and stone sink with a lovely, very, very significant size mirror. A couple of light fittings just needing to be finished off there with your sliding door. Loads of storage once again, and back out into your main bedroom. Just a different view there of the main bedroom for you. Isn't it wonderful? We've come outside now, so directly across the road from the apartment, you have this very, very well finished parking area where of course it comes with a parking space for you. And then just next to that area you have the lovely finished pool area which you have use of, which is being finished off. The architecture around it, some of the landscaping is just being finished off there now, but is already usable. So here we have the beautiful infinity pool. As you can see, there are beds and garden furniture, so it's fully equipped there. You can come and sit out here. Beautiful big umbrella for the hotter days. Gorgeous infinity pool, plenty long enough to do some laps and cool off under this hot Tuscan weather. And then you have the wonderful automated the roller that comes down, and then the top that comes over the top. That's just looking back down again into the car park. So that's your car park area. You can see the Tuscan hills there beyond. And just so you can get an idea of where we are. So you're directly across the road. Basically, that building there is the building we have just visited. This is the pool pump under here. It is a salt water pool, which makes it very, very comfortable. And the usage of the pool and the parking that we are in are not sold with the property. They are part of several properties that are together that share the pool and the parking, and therefore you pay a condominium fee of €2,000 per year once you are ownership of one of the buildings.